All right, so now the last position for the breathing exercise is the one on the belly. It's important also for the alignment here. So the same thing as when we were laying down, you need to have the heels pointing towards each other, not the toes pointing towards each other. So you have to have it the other way around. Exactly, because if you have the toes towards each other, then your knees are internally rotated, you see? And then you have, that will influence everything up the chain. So we need to have it a bit of external rotation, and these heels are pointing towards each other. And feel the activation in the leg. The legs are also active, so you can feel the quads active, and you could feel that the legs are kind of like being pulled away from the body, so they are active. They're not like just melting and collapsing. Okay, great. All right, and then we see the pelvis here is heavy on the ground. We see the ribs, the same thing, they have to be heavy on the ground. The shoulders away from ears, so don't put them towards the ears. Exactly. And then the neck, and then you can have your hands under your forehead. The elbows, there will be a bit like moving. The energy from the elbows will be a bit turning away from each other, so that you have also active arms, sorry. So let's breathe here, 1 2 3. So feel the chest expand, and then feel the back ribs expand, so where the band is expanding at number 2. And 3, you feel the belly expand against the ground, and then the opposite. So 3, you feel contraction against the ground. You feel the front ribs get heavier and the back ribs get contraction, and then you feel the chest as well. So let's do 1 2 3 here. Do you have any pain?
No.
Good, that's perfect. Looks very good. It's very important that we practice this exercise in different dimensions and in different positions, because the body has to learn this pattern of breathing wherever we are. If we are sitting, if we are lying down on our belly, on our back, on the side, we need to introduce this pattern in different positions, because we are teaching the brain, basically, this is how I breathe. No matter how I'm sitting, no matter in which position I am, this is how I breathe. And this is called three-dimensional breathing. And it's mechanical breathing that we lose with time. A lot of people have the chest breathing. A lot of people just breathe from their belly. I see a lot of people having lost their connection with their ribs entirely. So this is very common stuff that we're working on. And it's major stuff. Like once we get that rhythm, that pattern going in the body, the improvement and the tension relief and the ability to access those muscles and alignment will improve significantly. It looks not like it's not a lot. This exercise looks like we're not doing much, but actually it's doing a lot, because it's mostly re-establishing those very old habits that we have, and reprogramming the brain to get that full breath that sometimes we forget we can get, and it will reduce headaches, flares. It will help with a lot of things, not just the muscle pain. Perfect. One last one, and relax.